Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you are new, welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I request you guys to please subscribe because you will not gonna miss any of my interview cracking tips and tricks, not only those and the communication skills tips as well. So today we are gonna learn about how to keep your nerves calm when you attend interview, how to keep yourself confident. By not wasting much time, let's jump in. And I hope you will not forget that. Just grab your pens and papers. Let's dive in. So, what are the 6 easy peasy steps to follow to beat your nervousness while in the interview? Step number 1 is prepare like a champion. Champions, athletes, how they prepare for their tournaments, like that. And step number 2 is use the power of practice, 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 practice. And step number 3 is dress to impress. And step number 4 is work on your mindset. It is very important, guys. And step number 6 is practice deep breathing. You will see magic, and if you practice meditation every day. And step number 6 is embrace nervousness. Yes, guys, let's dive into each of these steps to get to know better. So what is the step number 1? It's like prepare like a champion. What do I mean by prepare like a champion? Yes, you are not going to play cricket or football or volleyball, I know, but you are going to play a game for your life, right? This is very important. You are making impression into an someone in front of someone. That impression should last forever, right? So you should prepare for that like a champion only. You are not less than a champion, I could say. All right. So keep that in mind. Knowledge is your best friend. Always dive deep into researching the company and the role you are applying for. Many freshers or aspirants do this mistake, as I stress this word, but they will not go through the company's website and what kind of services they offer, what kind of values they hold for. We have to know because we are going to work some particular company, XYZ company, right? So you should know what kind of company they are into, right? So it's always best practice to go to their website, just check their services page, just check their LinkedIn pages, and just check their employees who are working there. And you can talk to them on LinkedIn as well to know more about the company's values and its work culture. All right. And the more you know, the more confident you feel, right? If you have the knowledge, you will get, you have the potential. That means, right? If you have the potential to grab something, it will be easy for you to get into that. So step number 2 is use the power of practice because practice makes man perfect. This is a proverb, right? I always say in all my videos, guys. I can't stress this more because practice grab your friends. How you will practice means just grab your friend or anybody you feel like in front of them you can give your self introduction round. So give mock interviews in front of them, in front of your family members or your elder siblings who can help you. Talk to them once. Before answering common interview questions, refine your responses, how you are going to respond to that particular question. You have to practice properly because there will be some technical questions, there will be some personal questions, right? So what are the common interview questions that you can dive into? And polish your presentation skills. How? Like, you have to present yourself in front of your interviewer like a pro, right? They should feel like you are only one option for them. You are the only one good option for them to grab. to take you in. So practice like that. So dress to impress. And always first impression lasts forever, right? So you should look sharp so that you will feel sharp. Choose an outfit that exudes your confidence and professionalism, guys. Choose a formal outfit and it should be well ironed and wear closed-toe shoes. Your attire should be very clean and tidy, and you should feel confidence yourself so that you can you look to somebody else like in a confidence mode. When you look good, you will feel good, and that's the half of the battle one, right? If you feel good, you will talk to them good in a good manner. You will feel confidence if you look good. So dress to impress your interviewer, by the way, and work on your mindset, guys. What do I mean by saying this? How you should work on your mindset. Are you working on your mindset every day? It's not only the matter of one day on the day when you're going for the interview. It's a matter of keeping your mindset calm and working on your muscle. It's a great muscle. Mind is a muscle, right? So we should work on our muscle every day by reading books and making gratitude note and writing your goals and keeping your mind sharp by doing meditation, guys. It has magic. Okay, master your mindset. Use positive affirmations every day. You should read positive affirmations. Okay, from online, you will get a number of, you can listen to those as well, and you can read louder to boost your confidence and remind yourself of your strengths, skills, whatever you have, and the past achievements. You might be achieved so many things in your school days and your college days, right? So remember those, and you have got what it takes. And practice mindfulness by listening to positive affirmations every day. That is very important. And do 5 minute meditation, guys, as soon as you wake up, or at the time of sleeping also you can do that. Just 5 minute meditation. Take deep breaths for 5 minutes at least. Just give yourself time, give your mind time to prepare, you know, to win that battle. And step number 5 is practice deep breathing. And your take a deep breath. Literally, deep breathing can calm your nervous system, right? And help you stay focused. Truly, if you are focused, you will answer properly, right? And practice a few deep breaths before stepping into the interview room as well. You will have some time to get into. So what you have to do is just sit there and have some 1 glass of water and take deep breaths. Close your eyes and 10 seconds, at least 10 to 30 seconds, you just keep your mind calm and stay focused. Okay. Take 5 to 10 deep breaths. It's a very great practice, guys. Okay. Take deep breathing so that you feel calm and confidence. And embrace nervousness, guys. Always embrace nervousness. It is your nervousness is natural, because see, in this stage also, if I go to meet somebody who has authority on a higher level, I also feel nervousness, because it's a human nature, it's a human tendency. We cannot get rid of nervousness forever, right? So embrace it as a sign that you care about the opportunity. When you feel nervous, think about the service, and you should think about there is someone who is literally waiting for you and they need your help. That's what you have to think in your mind, that somebody is somebody is looking for my help. I have to go there to give my 100% to achieve their goals, right? So channel that nervousness and nervous energy into enthusiasm and passion for that role. If you are feeling nervous also, just don't show that you are feeling nervousness in front of interviewer. Because when you feel nervous, it's okay. They totally understand you. But you show that you are feeling nervous and you are lacking your confidence over there. That means you are done. That means you failed. So please, 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 guys, don't ever do that mistake. If you're feeling nervous, also just don't show that. take it as a skill, take it as one part of your energy. Okay, and with that, you can put enthusiasm and passion for that role. These are the 6 easy peasy steps, guys. And I would like you to take this screenshot of this and practice a lot and prepare mock interviews with your friends, peers, whomever you find, someone who are good than you, who can correct you. They should be on that level so that only they can help you, right? And what else? You got that. You got all the 6 easy peasy steps to crack your interview. And remember, guys, every great journey starts with a single step, right? And this this interview is just the beginning for you. This is just the beginning for your career path. Embrace your nervousness and take each interview as a experience, guys. Take each interview as an experience. If you're not going through that also, just take it that, I have that experience today. What I learned from that. Just think in that way. Think in like, you are learning something from the interview. All right, you're learning what kind of questions they are asking. You're learning what kind of people out there in that company, so that you will work better when you attend next interview, right? Ask about your laggings. I mean, wherever you feel lag, just ask the interviewer. They are always there to help you. Just don't make a mistake by not asking anything. You can always welcome to ask questions. hrs are all HRs are really good people, and they will help you out. Okay, and learn from every experience and never underestimate the power of your own potential, guys, because you have the skills, right? You have the skills and you have the passion, and most importantly, what you have the true determination to get into the dream job. So this is enough for you to land into your dream job. So get out there, shine bright, and give your unique light to illuminate the world. Okay, your future is waiting, guys. Just grab that opportunity by preparing well. And I thank you for watching this video. If you did not understand, just go through the video again. I request you to take lots of notes and practice mindfulness, practice gratitude, and practice your common interview questions as well. Okay, that is most important, guys. And most importantly, believe in yourself more than anything else. You can do it. Okay, stay true to who you are, because you are keep on chasing your dreams. Think that, and always think that in mind, the best is yet to come. Because if you're not going through some interview, don't feel like I did not meant for that. The right door is always there for you. Just to, you have to wait and watch. You have to practice and get to that. Okay, and the right people always welcomes you. Wish you all the very best, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.